I go to part 4 or is number 5? Doggy! Come here. Oh. No, Simon. So, yeah. Let's run around in this mini scooter.
Yeah, and I got
They'll get busy, didn't it?
Gotcha! Can we go on the edge of here?
What's that? What? Go up here. Go up there.
Car! Car!
It's not meant to be like that.
You said you're 40.
Coffee!
The doggy's like, it's here.
Cheers.
Bye-bye!